Hi there, everyone, and welcome to the Adjectives Adventure. Yes, today we'll explore how adjectives can describe a person as well as objects and animals. The lesson will include examples and grammar exercise. So, let's dive in. So, we can use adjectives to describe people, places, and things. Have a look. We've got a small car. We've got a small car. Number 2, I saw a white bird. I saw a white bird. Number 3, this book isn't very old. This book isn't very old. Now, how to use them? We don't add s to the adjectives when it's plural, so pay attention. My brothers are short. My brothers are short. We've got 3 black cats. We've got 3 black cats. She watched some old films. She watched some old films. Now, don't forget to put sized adjectives before the color adjectives. For example, I've got a big blue ball. I've got a big blue ball. Number 2, the building is tall and gray. The building is tall and gray. Okay, meet our first guest. A cute and cuddly teddy bear. A cute, cuddly teddy bear. Look at its soft fur. Well, it doesn't have a fur. And button eyes and black button eyes. This bear is definitely charming. Next, we have a delicious looking apple. It's bright, juicy, and oh, so tempting. So, delicious. Okay, so now let's talk about these stylish sunglasses. They're trendy, right? And fashionable and perfect for any sunny day or any screen radiation. These sunglasses are definitely chic. These sunglasses are definitely chic. Oh, look! Here we have an energetic little puppy. Look at its wagging tail and playful nature. This puppy is definitely cute. Now check your understanding. Make it right. Find the mistake in each sentence and correct it. My brothers are very tall. My brothers are very tall. There was a yellow big slide in the park. There was a big yellow slide in the park. She's wearing 2 red shoes. She's wearing 2 red shoes. I've got brown long hair. I've got long brown hair. He hasn't got trainers new. He hasn't got new trainers. Those dogs are small and white. Those dogs are small and white. Did you buy some news toys? Did you buy some new toys? We've got a car small. We've got a small car. And that's it for today, guys. Adjectives can truly bring life to our description, from charming teddy bears to captivating books. It really helps us to paint a vivid picture. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button and leave me a comment and start to explore the world of adjectives, okay? And stay safe and resist any kind of hatred and terror wherever you are. And I promise I'll see you really, really soon. Bye bye.